Today we are going to install the FORTIGATE 30E into the RM-FR-T9 from Rackmount.IT. The installation for the FORTIGATE 50E is the same as the FORTIGATE 30E shown in this video. You will need the FORTIGATE appliance and the rack mount kit. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch rack mount kit, 1 zip tie, 2 M3 bolts, and 8 cables. Please note that you will only need 6 cables for the 30E, the example shown in this video. Also, the industrial version rack mount kit is supplied with shielded cables and couplers. Place your FORTIGATE on the rack and fix the appliance with the 2 bolts on the side of the appliance and tighten it lightly. Connect the cables from your FORTIGATE to the connectors. Plug in the power supply and tie the excess length of the cable down with the provided zip tie. You are done installing the appliance on the rack mount kit. Double check to ensure all pieces are secured. Now we are ready to install the kit into a server cabinet. If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us on the web at www.rackmount.it.